Thank you for joining the Innovation World podcast series. My name is Juli Shively. I am the founder of Innovation World and the co-founder of the Global Innovation Field Trip. We are sitting at the Connecticut Invention Convention today, and we have the privilege of speaking with some of the students who are in the international delegation. And I would like to allow them to introduce themselves, tell us where they're from, who they are, what grade level they're in, if that pertains to them, and then talk a little bit about what you innovated.
So hello, I'm Yu Heng, and
I'm Jerrell.
so we are from Singapore and we are grade 11. So essentially our invention is using eggshells to filter water. So two major pollutants in water is actually heavy metal ions as well as bacteria. So our invention actually removes these two major pollutants from water, hence purifying it.
Okay, so how did you decide to do this? What was the inspiration for your innovation?
The main inspiration for innovation comes from actually the problem of water pollution. So the United Nations has set up sustainable development goals. Number 6 on the list is to provide clean water and sanitation to everyone. However, this is currently not possible in our world. One solution that we thought of is using waste materials. One commonly used waste material already being used is, I'm going to say that again.
Okay.
One commonly used waste material is seashells due to its high composition of calcium carbonate. However, we found that this material might not be the most suitable, hence we look towards something more commonly available to everyone, which is eggshells, which also have an even higher concentration of calcium carbonate, which can help it to remove bacteria from the water. Furthermore, eggshells have a lot of pores. If you zoom in, you can see a lot of pores, which gives it a huge surface area for the absorption of heavy metal ions, which allows it to both remove heavy metal ions from the water and also remove bacteria from the water, providing clean and safe drinking water for those who need it.
Where are you going to get all these eggshells?
Oh well, I guess a lot of people around the world eat eggshells. So for us, we actually collected the eggs. Sorry, we do not eat eggshells, we eat eggs. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, I like that.
Okay, so a lot of people eat eggs, and I guess the eggshells is a waste byproduct. So for us, we actually collected the eggshells that we discarded from our families. So this is our actually main source of eggshells that we used in our prototype.
Oh, so have you been able to test your prototype?
Oh yes, we have conducted a laboratory testing. So we found that our prototype has been effective in removing bacteria as well as heavy metals ions from polluted water, and it's actually quite effective with more than 95% efficiency in removing heavy metals from water.
Very nice. Very interesting. So what was your experience like at the Connecticut Invention Convention?
I think our experience was a pretty fun one. We were able to not only interact with a lot of the adults, a lot of the judges who came along and who gave us quite awesome feedback. We were also able to interact with many of the locals and learn more about not only their inventions, but also share our own invention with them and be able to experience and learn more about their ideas and also how they like sort of received our ideas and how they reacted to them.
Very good. I have one last question for you. If there are students listening who are worried about doing something like this, don't know if they would succeed, what kind of advice might you give them?
Okay, so from our experience, I think the best advice that we can give them is do not be afraid of trying. After all, Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before he invented the light bulb. So definitely, that failure is bound to happen, but do not be afraid of it because you'll always succeed in the end.
Very good. Great advice. Thank you both for being a part of the Innovation World podcast series today. I appreciate it, and good luck and safe travels home.
Thank you.
Thank you.